Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar index, we are definitely pushing down a little bit right here. We did grab these highs, so it does make sense to have a little bit of a pullback after that. I still think it needs to grab the highs of wave W, and my next big area of resistance is the 123% Fibonacci extension. I personally still think that it's not going to make an engulfing candle to the downside, but more likely it still is going to end up most likely pushing up again. I'm really not all that convinced that this move up is complete yet. These two little down candles definitely doesn't prove anything to me. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, or maybe even the 4 hour time frame would be better. We are definitely looking for like another break to the upside. If we get a break to the upside, I definitely would go back to looking for longs, especially with the fact that this is one, two, three waves up right here. It looks like a potential flat. It looks like one, two, three waves down, three waves up, and then potentially one, two, three, four, five down. So if we do get a break to the upside, I definitely would continue to look for longs. The higher time frames are telling us that we should look for longs. So the time frame is looking like a corrective pattern. So we definitely want to wait for that break to the upside to potentially go long again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.